guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick video. I am out on Long Island. I just picked up my car. I had some work done. We're going to do maybe some shots of my car, kind of just where it's at right now, what I plan on doing for it in the future, and yeah, it's just going to be a quick video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Rolex Daytona. I actually just shot a review of this watch. It will probably be out before this video, so perhaps some of you even watched that already. But enough of the video. Let's get into some of the cinematics of my car. So next, I'm going to be getting some springs to lower this just a little bit. I think that's going to help quite a bit. And unfortunately, I think I'm losing the tint, so I can get my goddamn car inspected because New York State sucks. But I got the Sharkworks X-Pipe. Got the GT3 Tech lip. I got the 15mm spacers all around. And now I got the GT3 Wing. Pretty happy with the car. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I try and keep the tint somehow? What else does the car need? Does the wing look awful? Let me know what you guys think. Oh, also the Carrera S emblem, that's coming off. Gonna get rid of that, and I'm just gonna get the black emblem that just says 911. I think that's gonna clean it up a little bit. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like I said, just a quick video. I really just wanted to do some shots of my car.